Hey, it's Ian, and today I have one of the most fun items of this year. This is the Turbo Terrain RC car, and this little rocket will stop at nothing. Dirt, snow, and it will even swim through water. Let's take a look. Now on pavement, this drives just like your normal RC car, but with a twist. It can do all sorts of tricks and stunts. But when you take this off-road, that's where the real magic happens. Now the oversized wheels allow this to conquer just about any terrain, and the specially designed paddles makes this maneuverable through mud, wet grass, and even water. Yes, you heard that right, this car can swim. Now if you've never driven an RC car, that's okay because the simple controller makes this super easy. Plus the demo button will showcase all of the cool tricks and stunts this can do. This RC car is outfitted with vibrant LED lights, so you can take your nighttime stunts to the next level. Now the RC car is powered by a rechargeable battery that comes with an included charger, and the remote control will be powered by two AA batteries. Now the AA's are not included, but we do sell some on our site at a bargain. Now because this can drive through water, the battery compartment is completely waterproof. But one thing I do want to point out is that you want to make sure that the seal is completely free of obstructions. Now we had so much fun putting this through the paces, and trust me, we did not take it easy. This thing can take a beating. Now because this is a rugged all-terrain car, this can be played year-round no matter the weather. Not to mention this makes an awesome gift, especially for Christmas. So head on over to the site and see your awesome deal today.